All right, people, how on a day? Yes, we don't come again. And as you can see, na full house they here. The finalists, the people we make to the last week of the Big Brother Naija season 6. Now so it be. See them, they here. The millionaires in the building. Yeah, I like the works where they clap. It's not easy. Out of how many people now come here, represent the last week. Okay, so make we start from the far left. Emmanuel, greet your people. Be like say you lost.
What's up, people? Wazobia, Emmanuel, Mr. Africa International, King of the Emirates. I do all right. Hope so I do all right. One love.
So we talk about King of the Emirates. Oh yeah, Joe, give it to them.
Alpha Archangels with the gallant. You know the vibes. You choke for us. Keep being gallant.
Oh yeah, Mazi.
What's happening? It's your boy Whitemoney. So pretty years ago, what's in that soft money gang? White Lions. Now your boy Mazi Whitemoney, aka Good Money, aka God's Money. I know here I thought that.
All right, Liquor, do it for your people.
Have fun, it's your girl Liquorose. You know me, I talk, let's just watch, Liquor Lions, Rose Army, waiting the apple. Me not keep them raw. All my liquor. All my Rose Army, man, respect, man. I'm ready for a war. A war ends when that war begins. When that war we did, me not ready. I try.
Nice one. Oh yeah, Cross. Show them. In the boots. Tell them, oh yeah, Cross.
He don't drink.
Literally, Liquor, that killed me. But anyway, big up everyone. Wago at your favorite boy here across the bus. And big up Cross Nation. We do this all day, every day.
Speak.
How on a day we day here? Maybe they keep on they go. Maybe they rock. Cross Nation, we day here.
That's it.
Yeah, you pay, I beg.
Oh yeah, the general. Run up.
Patriots! How on a day now? In general, salute. All my South people, Bayelsa, Rivers, everywhere, Delta, we day. Confirm.
Too much. You see everybody get the way they greet their own people. Now so it be. But yes, we say make we sit down with you today. How you guys feeling? When I reach the last week. I don't say hearts will be beat that day. Anything will happen that week. It will be anybody. Make we start with Emmanuel. So Emmanuel, how you take be for you? How you take feel say you reached that last week and things be as me? How you take be for you?
Wait, see much though.
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh my, it'll be easy. It'll be easy. So we went into the house first of all. You say you choke everywhere.
Yeah.
Go enter the house, go meet some kind of for the house. People even say they do one or two things. People say they run one or two doings.
Yeah.
When they say their mind, they focus, their career ahead, they're too big. You can't play game for inside house. So those kind of people they try to achieve one thing. It's tough. The whole stage will be really tough. Like I say, they climb mountain, basically. True. But we thank God, just stay yourself. Just stay true to yourself. Then no way to carry you go any place. If you want to achieve it, you go achieve them. So now the vibe that will carry me go through the phases and stages of the game. So every stage where they pass, don't be say a plan may happen. Now just that determination, just that zealousness, that diligence will be in my body. So that focus too, and say I try to achieve one or two things, and I'm not sitting good now. Finalists, easy.
It's soft. So Angel. Make we enter your matter. Correct. I like the way this salute. Maybe like say lost. So Angel, as the matter take be, people they watch you, your fans. They sometimes you may feel say you could just do things based on anyhow. I know too they sure whether I go last in the end. I know too they sure whether I go tail like this. But when you can't reach the final set, how it takes you?
Thank God say we no crazy because it's tough, especially because say we enter that white room. That white room, the room they close. The longer way you did there, they close. So, I feel very very happy. Say I enter final because I not go lie. I not believe say I go enter.
It's tough, it's tough. Now, some of your fans they talk say. Sometimes you just feel like say you be cruise, madam.
Yeah.
You just the vibe. As things they come, you take them like that.
Yeah.
You know if you say that one self even affects some of your gameplay. That vibe where you talk now, with inside those comment lists where they misbehave. You know things saying why they go there.
No, I know. At the end of the day, you don't get with anything where you do where people some people no go hate you. I mean, Whitemoney don't win the money, but you get people who no like am still regardless. So and the thing be say, na entertainment show. And I don't already talk say I go there for cruise.
Yeah.
So anybody wey no like the cruise, na minority them be. Those wey like the cruise, we set die and we dey gallant.
Okay, we'll come back to your yarning on that cruise level. Not my wife money and not you are going to ask question yet because I don't like you. Say you know. Make we move to Pere now. Pere, how far now?
How am I doing, my brother?
Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
as you just gallant like this now, yes, you share you because as you enter the house, you can't be like say you know. Say you go reach the final because your confidence, you know, is. Now when people they talk, say more. Pere be like say, the other time say Pere don't worry, you are final, no problem. You go run. But your confidence level, how it take before you share a strategy you stay enter like that or waiting.
Now strategy now. When I carry strategy into that place, and part of the strategy now to be confident.
Okay.
Because without confidence, you don't feel move, you don't feel go far. Confidence now like gas for inside car. You need to move, open doors. But I mean, I'll be as it gets. You walk
for
me.
And last, you enter the last set.
Last.
So looking at any situation, if you say any situation, we alter that your plan or the strategy will carry enter, we will make you win.
Suppose we not winner. Yeah, everything happen with that.
Okay, cool.
That's a usual time.
We'll come back to that small conversation. Cross, vibe king. It's anywhere you see the Jayo Cross, So Cross, how it be for you? We know say you enter the house based on vibes, based on say you want to experience this whole matter. How will you go talk say the experience be for you, looking at where you start from and the fact that you reach the last 6?
As you said, I'm the vibes guy. Literally, the thing choke everywhere. As you can see, literally, this thing they choke. But I've heard a lot of people say, Cross, you really started really slow. And I'm like, yeah, I guess, because that's how life is.
You're trying to observe things.
Yeah, you have to observe things, observe the surroundings. No, because these guys are great guys and, beautiful and, smart ladies. So you have to understand, okay, who and who do you think are going to be your allies? Who are going to be your competition? And so with that, so it took me like a week or two to eventually settle and know what I'm going. Then I started showing my true self. So that's pretty much what happened.
No one going.
You talk and say, no what going. Show your true self. Come like say towards the later part of the show, you can't show your other side of ladies. Hey, we see her. No worry, we'll come back to that one. Liquor. Pass like this now. Liquorose. So okay, maybe we just ask you first. How do you take see yourself when you climb that stage, Whitemoney, when you're day together, when they want corner? How you they feel? Because I know say no easy.
I don't sleep.
Whitemoney day, listen.
I see this laugh while you're laughing. That's why I laugh from that house. And that stage, because it shocked me, It shocked me. She gets, but you can't shock me because I look and say if I want to stand for there with one person, when I say if that person stand by me, my just they laugh, they go.
Me just they laugh.
So if you stand, so basically not just 12, I just begin to laugh. I begin to laugh, say man, because you see this guy. She understand.
The guy bad like that.
Oh man, he know wetin dey go on. He know, he dey see me as threat. He no tell me, he no say, as he tell me say, you make stuff for me, so I look and say, Sometimes they laugh, say, how far you go be now?
Yeah.
So I dey overwhelmed actually. I don't even expect, say, I don't talk up my head, say, if I dey fine now, one person I go look for my side, say, one sit down by me. Not just the laugh, they go, now white. But my own prayer be say, might even reach 6 weeks or might even reach finals.
Correct. Gallant people there. Oh yeah, Whitemoney. Who they? You they? Okay. So Whitemoney. Say come like say for outside, people don't just like your personality from the first week. You understand? They just look you say, this guy. Shey you dey cook, you dey clean house. Whitemoney, wetin you never do for this life?
Never kill.
You never kill person. You don't wash the dead body before.
I never touch my
You never touch. Okay. Yes. No problem. Okay. So as it be now, you can't be like say you just enter the house. Say now your strategy or not just the way you be. Now you carry enter the house.
About you can answer that question because you know me for streets. Yeah, no, but know me for streets. You know as I tell the hustle, you know.
That's so.
Virtually the team be say I enter the house with my lifestyle. I come inside, like I say, I look myself. Like only me and Jepo they share heights. Who Jepo go top past me today. Tomorrow I go top past him based on the tax they give us. You understand? So I don't even know. Say as I enter, as I see all of them, especially Emma and Pere, when they count them, the Bomark be like structure. I say, God, what can you do here? When they call the drop, what they do? So I'm now he always scatter my head. Ex-military. I say, what? The military will get white teeth. What thing they happen? I say, God, who be those people? I don't look. Only me by myself. Say, you know what? Waiting be your strength. She is a big cook. I don't even ask questions. Say, what will you do for this? Everybody identify. So, okay, me, I sabi babo, I sabi do woman hair, but no go do woman hair, but go bab, then I go cook. And if to say women did that day, I for no cook, but men enter that first day, I had to go and begin cook, and I love them because I done the restaurant before. So now my passion, you understand, I just feel and I don't like unorganized place, and I like clean, do all those things. Then I love music and everything. So I just identify with my parents said, now my strength is that, and I face her vigorously from day one to the end. I waiting and so it be.
Sure you expect say you will win this one?
Lie. When the thing begin dawn on me now, we don't day 6. I say it a million times. We don't day 6. You see that? But you see the very first day where they call, right? I say, my baby, borrow me your complex. He said, Baba, you go return and give me. I said, okay, Prophet Isaiah. I return am. I said, okay, fair enough. Because they go, but when the thing go really hit me, say, guy, you might be doing something right now. That's 6. It shocked me because Pere I dey see like one kind God, and the first time they tell and say, guy, you know you get bad boy feel. Now what women they like with that? You get bad boy this thing, you go tell straight up, I want to. You get the thing. So he come out and say, what? Pere don't come out? Okay. Queen.
Nini.
Yes. Saga. What? Then
Angel. They can't go come back. Okay.
They can't come back. We don't celebrate top 5 with that. They can't kidnap us. Hey, I can't do the shake like that because I can't come back. Say, I couldn't feel a dog. First 3 hours. They call it Casamanica. The next day, so we are there. Polo, catcha. I bet you. So we come out the book, call him a photo. Oh, well, and at that time, you could show the
for now, you never sure.
So that thing was really, that's when I was in the game. Then towards the ending, everything happened. But if you ask me whether or not I will win, I don't know. Because I dey fear this one.
So Nashi be your biggest competition for them?
See, Nashi and Pere.
Yes. So if you get opportunity to edit them, say you be big like this, you don't come on it.
To make the show interesting, I know we'll come on them. If I be big brother, I mean won't carry the big money.
Okay.
Okay. Go check this time so before you come here now.
Okay now. So as a matter of the mode, because if I don't ask this question now, my producer can say you're supposed to ask her. Emmanuel, now you the same I talk to first. Emmanuel will say you the best for here. Based on your relationship with our sister here, our sister in the Lord, is there something moving forward in this ministry? Anything they go for that or?
Relationship
No, but unfortunately, we don't see him from beginning.
We don't see him, so you just do the way you did.
So that's how it go be.
So you just go small. Maybe no push him.
But things just the.
Maybe no stress him. Maybe no push him. They alright.
They don't create hashtag for now. Una see him. Emma Rose. Una don't see him now. Now to add the year remain. Emma Rose 2022.
Nobody knows the money count.
So Angel, no wahala, correct. So, Angel, you don't say I go still ask you because people can't be confused. She na you say, when I say you can't say na cross. People can't want to say where will they go, which movement, she na cruise. Answer that question again.
Waiting be the question.
We say who be the person we will go see after this show now? Yourself, I be cross, I be make we know who go day, who no go day.
And I not go see yourself because yourself and I will be friends.
Okay.
And I don't know about Cross and I, but we dey cool, we be best friends. So you people might, and I fit they likely to see more of both of us because we're cool. So we go dey hang out,
So now friends things now.
Shine your eye.
Okay. Cross, you blush on the side, you don't collect. Odogu. Because towards the end, because you say Queen. And you clear the matter, maybe be like say problem. But people now still, as fans they did. They put people together. How you take one clear this one matter, made a hear.
Queen are my baby for life. As I name be Queen, I say be my queen.
Okay.
We are very good when in a good space, and I like and die. You understand? Just that my whole state of mind, no day, no guys settle yet. All this thing will happen to me now. So as time goes on, like small, we go, they see anything they progress. But as I say we are good, we did good. Now queen should be.
And I don't hear that. Odogu don't talk and say na queen she be. Na so it be.
Yes.
Sister Rose. No fear. See, as bros don't talk am na so it be.
We did okay. No rush.
Una no rush.
Calm down. Calm down. We don't chill. So no wait, Brima.
Sister Rose.
Chena see am.
Wow.
See me no rush.
Ina Brahma.
All of them, my Rose and the my Rose shippers and me no rush. Now calm down. Because Lion Rose and me calm down. My mom will achieve things first. No gather money. We dey okay. We dey good man no fear. But me calm down. Relax.
Now don't hear. Calm down. Cross. Anyhow.
I did.
Angel don't talk out.
Yeah, she don't
It's
talk
sure for you, Abi.
It's sure for me.
Say everything go soft for there.
Everything
Sasuke go.
It goes soft. Yeah.
Sasuke self go soft.
It go soft.
Now polygamy you want run.
Everything goes soft.
Fool.
Everything goes soft.
Yes.
You be politician.
Yes, it goes soft.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes.
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 No, Pere, we don't say you been talk say the only lady we catch your eye. Now Maria. You talk am. You not changing.
Maria still be she be better person when you be say I've been like for the house. One will be there inside the house and everything. You know, as a good friend, you know. Yeah.
So moving forward now, anything you don't call her.
I never get time now. I never get time
Never
call am. I don't they do media around since. But we don't see once I come out house, what would they work out they do in the middle of this whole paparazzi thing?
Yeah.
We exchange pleasantries. You know.
Yeah, but you also don't say you can get big where you go back to.
Of course, now definitely my babe now number one.
No cap.
No Capricorn. We're going back to our babies. Last.
He said we're going back to our babies.
Our babies.
So which means say the one for the house now cruise.
Descendant of Solomon, we answer that kind of question.
Hey, for those who know, now they know descendant of Solomon. Nah, so all right. So let's just move this up. Moving forward now, Pere, what thing they go expect from you now as you don't come out?
As I don't come on now, not Nollywood now the way because now they have been there before I come go Yankee. So of course Nollywood and then music.
Okay, so you yourself want to sing too?
Of course.
Rap or sing?
Sing. And then this, I don't know, but this October the 15th, 2 films when I be featured in come out. April Showers and Charge and Bail.
Yeah, Charge and Bail.
For cinema.
That one you need to look at. It's going to be a mad movie.
Correct. We'll look out for that.
Yes.
Charge and Bail.
So Cross, what do we expect from you moving forward?
Just going to keep moving
Yeah.
forward. I honestly believe that. And yes, I just want to show the world who I am. And not just Nigeria, all over the world. My fitness brand, CrossFit, definitely taking it to the next level in health in general. The restaurant, Gem House, also want to make sure that people know that, you can invest in businesses and make a living. Because I know that eateries, it's a very good way of making day-to-day income. Yeah, it's very every day people want to shop. So that I really want to push that in, and also the crossover night thing. I really want to make it a big thing. Really make it a big thing in different cities. And yeah, movies, which Pere told me I think I might be good at it. I don't know yet, but I'll try it out and see how it works. So yeah, just have fun on the way and make sure that we all have a good time. That's it.
Great stuff. Your fans then really wait. Rose, what do we expect from you based on every
I expect everything, art and entertainment now, I like money now. Let's not say I want money plenty for tax, I go let me that money maybe times 1 million. Okay. Not go bad might be billionaire now, you understand. So music, definitely music. Go to do movies, drop book, open salon again where I lost, you understand. So not I don't worry, I'm not too much, but so many things they come, art, entertainment. Business.
Now where the money dey? Art, entertainment, and business. So make we ask Odogu.
Yes.
You don't collect this thing now, do you?
Yes. And the thing don't they collect me.
You don't collect you. Sorry, no.
Yes.
Take amazing. Oh, you are moving forward.
By the grace of God, I expect a single before the end of the year. I would love to feature. I would like feature our legendary Duncan, and I would like a Mastercraft producer. I never reach out, but I know they go down here a couple of times. And more great music, and I get business. They sell shoes, and they do all these things, accessories, everything. So when all these things don't lie down, or expand my business, and I do plenty things, but basically entertainment and business. That is the two things I'm going to focus on.
Confirm. Entertainment and business. All right, Angel.
So, what to expect from me moving forward? Like I said, I'm starting a mental health blog, and like I said, we don't have that conversation enough in this country, and there's like a stigma attached to it. So I definitely want to give people like a safe space where they can talk about their mental health. So in that regard, I plan on also starting a mental health charity organization. I'm already drafting proposals because it's going to take collective effort to make that happen. So it's basically going to be a platform where people donate to the cause. And I find like people that need mental health help financially, and I help them with that. So that is one aspect. I also want to be an art curator, so I'm looking to open an art studio where people, you know, display their art, people buy, they give me their commission, they take their money. That's on one side. I'm planning on going to real estate as well because I want to own an apartment complex and I want to be a landlady. So that's one aspect. Another aspect is film school. I want to go back to school and get a degree in film. So I want to basically create film. So that's in the works, mostly when all the noise dies down. Then there's also me going into the hospitality industry and, you know, opening a salon and a spa. Then there's also me trying to start up like an organization for women, because there's so many things that I went through as a young woman that I didn't have like any like support. So I'm looking to open like a charity organization for that in that regard. There's a lot of other things that I'm planning on doing. Definitely looking to work with brands here and there. And you know, basically just call me a business tycoon. You know the vibe.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to be in everybody's faces.
On another choice.
Yes. Absolutely.
So Emmanuel, go ahead.
Before I go into the house, I've been into a couple of things. Modeling, pageant king, and of course I've been working with a few brands. I opened my unisex salon and spa called Hair Lab. I opened my fitness center called Body Lab. And I've also been, investing in real estate as well. So with this platform I have, I'll basically just, expand and explore. So I hope to work with bigger brands. I hope to hit major deals. I hope to expand my fitness center and my salon to, have more locations within the country and probably outside the country as well. And my real estate, it's going to be primary for me now because I'm going to do a lot of things with it. Before I even got to the house, I had a foundation named after my mother, the Foundation. So it was a platform to reach out to the disabled kids and elderly people in the society. So the platform I have, I'll be able to make a lot of that, and of course scholarship schemes as well. So I have a lot of things in line. I have a lot of things to do, and basically I'm open-minded. However the opportunity comes, I just grab it and explore with it. So it's all about the money.
Yes.
Angel, want to add something?
Yeah, I don't know why I forget this because it's basically why I'm a writer. So I have a book launch either this year or next year. Like I have a complete book, so I'm passing it through a professional. And you know the vibe to see how that works out.
Yes.
Wow,
too much for the world.
It's too much for the world. Let me tell you what you people should expect from me. I'm gonna open prison. I'm joking. But it's good too when I don't get all these things planned out. And because go just do this kind limelight now, you don't get anything to offer your people then. So it's good. It's good till when I come through. I wish you are the best. Yes. We wish you are the best at the level they be. It's not easy to enter the house, come out like this. How on this whole razzmatazz, the fans, I'm not saying no, they try. I will not want to be in your shoe right now.
Yes. Because my feet is
exactly right now. But when the money they come, we'll chop them. All right, thank you guys for coming out. We appreciate you now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as matter be. Now here we go wrap them up with the superstars, the biggest millionaires in town right now. Who they?
Breathe.
That's it. All right, my peace out.